So the front lip is in the trunk. I'll take it out. Oh, that's right. So it creates downforce. And it also looks cool. But I'm getting it because it looks cool. Lift. Oh. Huh. So here's the underside of the car. It's $100. So. Oh cool, I got a sticker, a keychain, and I don't know what that is. I'm sure that's important.
I have the new.
Yeah, the new one's really nice.
I love the remote, to be honest.
Yeah, the remote's a little weird. It's a little janky. I'm okay with it, but... So this is the front lip from Bayson ABM Motorsports. It's relatively cheap, and it comes with basically everything that you can put so you can self-mount it onto the car. I'm not doing it myself because I don't have anything to lift the front end of the car, and I don't have a garage. So I come here, and he does everything for me. I mean, I pay him, obviously, but I know it's done properly. Watch the mechanic as he valiantly screws a bolt. Yeah.
And screws in the button.
That's right, so I got a new mid-pipe as well. This is also from Works. It's the Works ABM Exhaust and mid-pipe. This is the old one. I could do the whole thing that a lot of like YouTubers do. They'll be like, garbage. Not garbage. It's not garbage. No, this is actually great. This is not a waste. This is a waste of money. Yeah, it's a waste of money. No, it's a total waste of money. Cars are a waste of money, but they're a really fun waste of money.
This is all the labor right here.
This is what I'm paying him for. The actual install takes like 2 seconds.
Yes.
You know, I was afraid that the front lip was going to look cheap because it's just flimsy plastic, but it actually looks pretty good. Yeah. Go ahead.